why we feel comfortable taking on those, maybe that riskier loan.
Great. Do you have any other questions? I have one more fact that I wanted to read that I thought was interesting. The great majority of lending institutions, 94%, that made SSBCI-supported loans are smaller banks, credit unions, and CDFIs with less than $10 billion in assets.
That's right.
Right.
So this program is really for community banks
Right.
and CDFIs. Something that I would like to also convey with regards to SSBCI is that there's an opportunity with SSBCI for CRA consideration. So if any of you are CRA officers, think about SSBCI. Of course, work with your federal regulators, that being the OCC, the FDIC, and of course the Fed, to understand what those requirements are. But SSBCI can provide that CRA consideration.
Because there's a great potential that these are going to come under the community development provision.
That's
right. Anything else? Are there any closing comments that either of you would like to say?
I just wanted to add, I forgot to mention, so we have our loan participation program, and within that, a year, maybe a year and a half ago, we also created kind of a sub-program of that for our minority and women-owned businesses. So instead of that 9% match, we'll do up to 20% to help kind of, spur that maybe disadvantaged population. So if it's a woman-owned or minority-owned business that's certified with the state, they can come in and hopefully have better terms, get a better match percentage. So that's something we were doing to try to kind of help with that population as well.
Okay. Dave? Thank you, Imogene.
Sure. It's fascinating to see what's happening across the entire United States with SSBCI. I consider this a movement. This is the YES program, as I call it, because of the flexibility. It's empowering because we get to see opportunity after opportunity and hear success story after success story. And that just makes this job, a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity for me. So at the end of 2017, we don't know if there's going to be another SSBCI. But while we have this opportunity now, we have to take advantage of it.
Right.
So if there's any of you folks who have any other questions, please reach out to Imogene, or again, use this SSBCI annual report as a Bible for you if you have any questions, and so that you can contact representatives in your local jurisdictions and states.
All right. Well, would you join me to give the two panelists a big hand? Thank you so much.
We're going to transition to the next panel.